Wednesday, August 6th, the W2 Trap Alert. The set it and forget it myth. Your 401k is not a magic box. Set it and forget it is a lie, and it's costing you thousands. The myth. We've all been told that once you set up your 401k, you're done. You can just let it sit there and it will grow on its own. The reality is that this hands-off approach can expose you to high fees and mediocre returns. You're in a vehicle that's meant to grow, but you're not quite in the driver's seat. The reality, you need to know what you're investing in. You need to know the fees you're paying. You have to take an active role in your financial future, even if it's just checking your account once a quarter. Your mission today is to log into your 401k and look for your expense ratio. Don't fall for the trap. We'll be talking more about this in my full video this weekend. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.